What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack's. Pretty dark screen here. I mean, it's not that important to see me. It's more just for social proof. But it's nighttime now here in Bali, recording a bit later on in the evening. So that's why it's dark. All right, whatever. So we're going to go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at 16.6K, up 1.9 on the day, bouncing from our pullback zone, sitting at market cap 317 billion, 24-hour volume 26.03 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, make sure to, wow, the screen is so bright. Make sure to sign up through my referral up to 30K in bonuses. And once you make your first deposit, email me or sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So the first one I wanted to look at was right here. So this is the potential wave count that we've been covering here. And that what we're looking at is a wave 2 pullback of the wave 3. Just as we had a long drawn out, wow, internet connection. Are you really going to do this right now? Sigh. We had a long drawn out wave 2. Right up in that $20,000 range here. And I think, yeah, there you can see it better now. I think we're going through that once again. So we came down at a wave 1 and we pushed up in a wave A. We pulled back in a wave B, looking to push up in a 5-wave move in a wave C. So far we've had our wave 1 with a wave 2 pullback. We're starting to bounce here. So potentially if we, well, not potentially, pretty much guaranteed if we come up and break 16.7K, much higher likelihood, I should say, that you're going to push up in that wave 3. So I'll give you a target for that. Take your trend-based sweep extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top, to the bottom of wave 2. And you would target the 1.618, which is currently coming in at about, looks like about 18.2, 18.3K. You'd see a wave 4 pullback and a final wave 5 to put in that wave C in between about 18.3 and about 20.7K. And as you can see where I've drawn out this wave 2 lines up with the point of control on the volume indicator. So I do think we may see a little bit of an upside rally here before seeing continuation to the downside, in my opinion. If we were to simply roll over, I do have a bearish wave count that can still play out until we come up and break this high of about 16.8K. Actually, we'd have to break this high at about 16.9, which is the high of the wave 1. But if we were just to roll over and break down, then we can still focus on this bearish wave count that we came down to 1. This is a 2, looking to come down to wave 3. But as I mentioned on the daily time frame for the price of BTC, let me pop over to another chart and go to the daily time frame. As I mentioned, I was talking about this bullish divergence and the fact that money was flowing back in for the price of BTC, and which shows signs that we could definitely see a bounce, and it looks like that may be starting, where we can push right back up and retest this level of, as you can see, we fell straight through this level of support, now flipped its resistance. So often when you fall straight through like that, you'll push back up for a retest. You'll bounce to retest before, let me use my brush, before seeing continuation to the downside and creating lower lows and lower highs for the price of BTC. Now looking at the Dow Jones, it's finally starting to roll over here, which we've been expecting. So we'll see if we see continuation down for the Dow Jones. And of course, the price of, sorry guys, I'm really fumbling today. The price of Bitcoin will follow. So this is a 4-hour time frame. There is a large falling wedge pattern that I've been watching here. So if we do push back up to the resistance of this wedge, let me zoom back out. You can see this large falling wedge. The resistance is currently coming in at about 17.1K, so watch that as well. But what you might see is a bit of a fake out as we did right here. So we faked out to the upside, we broke down, we might push out, fake out again, and then break back down into the pattern. I'm going to quickly pop open the DXY. Because we are creating that double bottom on the DXY. So that will be interesting to watch, because if the DXY starts to break out and push up, that's negative for the price of Bitcoin. But if we lose this level of support right here for the DXY, we see continuation. That's when you'll see the rally continue for BTC. That's basically it. Just a little update here. It does look like there's a good likelihood of this wave C playing out, especially if we do come up and break that wave 1 high at about 16.7K. More likelihood you're going to push up in that wave 3 with a target of about 18.2, 18.3K for Bitcoin. As you can see right here, 18.3K, which is the 1.618. extension. All right, gang, that is it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord where you can get completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you sign up to either Bybit or BitGet, you can watch my full length tutorial, link in the description, as well as pinned at the end of the video. And sign up, make your first deposit, email me your sign up email, free access, 100% free access to all chat rooms. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, as well as my trade signals. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays for only 10 bucks a month. Sign up through the Patreon, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.